often overlooked in this lane. You can still see some of the old cellar entrances to the old White Horse Inn down here, all rebuilt, but these are really old cellar entrances. If you look closely here, you can see the archway of where the entrances were. There's still vent holes there, and down there's another archway. They put a new lintel in. It's like solid stone, but originally the archway gave strength to any opening at a lower level. So these would have been cellars, maybe for beer or things. The reason that beer was stored in the cellar was because the temperature of cellars was generally about 10 degrees centigrade, which was cold enough that it was colder than the outside world in the summertime, and warm in the winter period, but still it was always the same temperature. And it kept for a good length of time. There was no preservatives around here. When the Huguenots arrived in the 1660s and slightly before, the Dutch came, they brought hops with them, which were preservatives added to ale to give a longevity to the ale. Unhopped ale will last about 2 or 3 weeks in the barrel, but hopped ale could last up to 3 to 8 weeks in the barrel, so you could serve it for longer. So look to the other side over there. We got above trail finders. I don't know what's happening with my thing over here, but if you look at trail finders, you can see up there some very interesting classical Greek carvings at the top up there, which you may not have noticed before. And this is another one of the merchant properties. There's lots of infill in here, sole traders added on later on. But there's a roof garden up there above the works in Kokoro, which you can see there. Can you see the roof garden in the corner there? Yeah.